Audi TT Mk1 using the hidden menu to check the coolant temperature.
Hi all, Andy here and welcome back to the channel where it's another week and another problem. This week, a faulty temperature sensor on the dash. From some of the comments that have been left, I know this is a common problem with the Audi TT. Eventually, the temperature sensor on the dash seems to fail. I think mine is recording correctly at the moment. However, I have noticed there is a coolant leak under the car at the moment. Only small, but it's definitely there. Nice and pink. Give it a taste. Nice and sweet. Definitely coolant. The coolant leak I'm going to investigate in a separate video which will follow on the channel shortly. Anyway, it got me thinking, if your temperature sensor is faulty or you think it might be faulty, is there a way to get a second opinion? Well, there is. There are actually a set of hidden codes that you can access to find out the temperature of your coolant and your oil and various other settings on the car. But today we're going to focus on the oil temperature and the coolant temperature. These error codes are all accessed from the Audi TT's climate controls. Let's hop in the car and I'll show you how you too can access those error codes.
Here is the climate controls currently in the off setting with the temperature knob pulled out. It's indicated by the red light. First, we need to switch this on by pushing the temperature knob in. The LCD screen should illuminate as it does when setting the AC. Next, we need to access the hidden codes. Do this by holding in the recirculate button and the up arrow as highlighted in the diagram. You should now see a 1C appear on the LCD screen. Returning to the temperature control knob, turn it clockwise to select the code we need to test the coolant temperature. This is located at code 49C, so keep it twisted clockwise until you arrive at code 49C on the LCD screen. When you do, release the temperature control knob. Now click the recirculate button once to display the current temperature of your car's coolant from the sensor. My car has only run for a few seconds here, so the coolant is still fairly cool. As the engine runs, you will notice the temperature climb, or it should do. Your temperature on the dash starts at 50 degrees, so until it moves past this point, there is nothing to reference from the LCD. As it does nudge past 50 degrees on the LCD, check your dash temperature. Has it started to climb? Mine has, and it seems to be following it up nicely. 70 degrees on the dash is represented by 70 degrees on the LCD. Looks nicely calibrated. However, the coolant does not move much past 80, maybe 81, and the dash is showing it as bang on 90. So perhaps one or the other is slightly out here and something for me to investigate. To deactivate the hidden code menu and return your climate controls to their original function, hold the recirculate and up arrows once more and the LCD should return to normal.
That short video hopefully explains how you can double check your dash temperature sensor using the hidden codes behind the climate controls. I plan to make a follow-up video covering each individual code, what they mean and how that can help you. I hope you found today's video useful. If you have, please think about giving it a thumbs up. Also think about subscribing for future content and see you soon. Take care.